injunction preventing them from protesting on the M25 in September 2021. Our correspondent Greg McKenzie is at the High Court, and we can join him now in central London, and we can see them there in force. Greg, remind us of the background to this.
Well, good afternoon. Yes, indeed, the background was an injunction was granted to National Highways back in September of 2021 that was meant to prevent protesters from Insulate Britain from protesting on the M25. Today here in court, 5 of 19 of those protesters have now received jail terms. The highest was 42 days, the shortest just 24 days. So 5 of the 19 protesters that have been in court. Yesterday, 3 of those were cleared. The judge said there was no case to answer, and the remaining 11 today received suspended sentences for 2 years. Well, one of those are with us now, Biff Webster. In terms of being cleared today, a victory for you, or albeit a partial victory?
Absolutely a partial victory, because the judiciary listened to what we had to say. They've actually said in their summing up that, you know, the government are failing in the science, but it's not a victory because we've still got 8,500 lives at least dying through fuel poverty in this country, not being able to make decisions between putting food on the table or fuel into their heating systems. We've still got hundreds of thousands of people in this country not working in proper jobs. And ultimately, this would have been the thing that would have reduced CO2 emissions by about 15% or so, you know, saving millions, if not billions of people across the planet. This country could have set an example.
Now, there were 27 of you originally charged with contempt of court. Some are saying this is a waste of time, a waste of taxpayers' money, bringing you to court, taking you to court. There was a stunt yesterday, 4 protesters gluing their hands to the steps behind us. I mean, is that right?
It's an absolute drop in the ocean to what's happening. Societal collapse is coming. The world scientists are saying that if we do not divert ourselves from the trajectory we are on, it's goodbye human civilization. Sir David King, previous scientific advisor to successive UK governments, have said we've got 3 to 4 years to act to divert the destruction of human civilization. Tell you what, in the United Nations in the summer, Boris Johnson himself said, listen to the scientists. What an inept hypocrite that he is not standing there and now backing us and saying we're the only ones walking the talk and saying listen to the science. Why on earth he's not in front of these judges here? It's absolutely disgusting, it's despicable.
Right, well, thank you very much. Well, there you have it. That's just one of the 19 Insulate Britain protesters who received, well, one of the 11 that received a suspended sentence today. Back to you in the studio.
Greg, thank you very much. Greg McKenzie at the High Court.